In this video, let's see how to associate an existing case with an email interaction and explore the CSM configurable workspace. First, we search for CSM in the navigation bar and select CSM configurable workspace. Then, in the list view, select Default Lists to access your interactions. Next, we select the interaction number to view details. Select the three-dot menu next to Save. Select Associate Record. In the Create New Interaction Related Record form, we select the case number from the task drop-down list. Finally, we select Save to save the associated record. The email interaction has been linked to an existing case and displays in the Related Tasks section.